Scott Pilgrim is the best movie I have ever seen. And I don't care who wants to laugh at me. But please don't, I'm very sensitive. But when I heard that a Scott Pilgrim is returning, I got excited. When I heard Scott Pilgrim returning as an anime, I stood up. When I heard Scott Pilgrim, the anime will be done by Netflix, well, I sat back down because, guys, Cowboy Bebop didn't work out so well. But when I heard that they were all returning, the original cast were all returning to voice their characters, I'm back up and applauding. Guys, this is exciting, and we finally got our first look or the teaser trailer for the new Scott Pilgrim Netflix anime, and it just oozes the same personality and quality we got from the movies and the comics and the game. So it's already a great start, and I'm just hoping Netflix and the powers that be carry it home. Because again, we just got the same. We didn't get much in terms of dialogue or anything like that, but we got the same charms and everything from the anime trailer. And all I can say is that it's looking good and it's looking on point. So again, it was just a short trailer, a little bit less than a minute. And as I said, the art looks good, the animation look good. And while we didn't get to hear the main star cast, it looks promising. So this is a quick update for those of you that were looking out for the Netflix version of Scott Pilgrim, and you can check the description below for the YouTube trailer in full. But again, everything looking up and promising, and here's hoping the Netflix anime curse, live action curse, or whatever the anime will work out. I mean, Castlevania is their best work yet, right? So there's hope. But yeah, that's it from me, here at Blue Crescent. For anything else in terms of anime, you can check out right here our look back at Eureka 7. And for everything else, keep it right here locked at Blue Crescent Studio.